everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today I have review and swatches on the new Patrick Ta Major Headlines Matte Suede lipsticks. I'm so super excited for these. I love Patrick Ta. Like, he is one of my favorite makeup artists out there, and I love his products. Maybe later on I will do like my all-time favorite Patrick Ta products. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see that. So I did pick up 2 of the lipsticks. He did come out with 4 of them. They do retail for $42 Canadian, so they are a bit on the higher end, but I looked at all the swatches and these were the 2 that I really gravitated towards the most. So before I go ahead and show you swatches, I'm just going to give you the details about these lipsticks. So you're getting a total of 0.14 ounces, which is 4 grams of product in the lipstick. And it says that it's a fully loaded with pigment. This long-lasting matte formula glides on and leaves a diffuse, powdery, soft velvet finish. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches, and I will give you the final thoughts at the end of this video. So what are my thoughts on the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Suede Matte Lipsticks? I really love them. First of all, his packaging is always spot on. I love his packaging. And of course, then you have the colors up here on top with the names. And these lipstick bullets are so beautiful. They're very heavy. And of course, we have the Patrick Ta logo on top. So beautiful, just really gorgeous. I just am obsessed with his packaging, and these are like just beautiful. But let's talk about the first one that I applied, which is called Oh She's Single, which is this nude shade that I'm wearing now, and it's a natural nude, and I really love it. It glided on so gorgeous. I do agree with the claims that they are super pigmented. They definitely give that very like diffuse, powdery, soft velvet finish like they described. And I will have to say that they are very long lasting. And I just really, truly love this color. It is so beautiful. And of course, we also have the Patrick Ta logo in the lipstick itself. That's how much product you are getting in the lipstick. So it seems like you're going to get a lot, but really you're not. That's the only downfall. I wish that it had to have like a little bit more product in here, because I could really see myself using this very quickly. So what are my thoughts on That's Why She's Late, which is a true red. I will have to apply lip liner with this one because it did bleed on the top part of my lips, but it didn't bleed on the lower part, but I'm okay with that. This color here is so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous true red shade. And I will also have to say though, when I went to remove this color with my makeup wipe, I did have to apply a little bit of pressure to get it to remove because it just didn't want to go anywhere. But that just goes to show like what the lasting power of these lipsticks are. And it's so super comfortable. Once again, I definitely agree with the claims on how it's like that beautiful, soft, matte, diffused, powdery look. Definitely it is for sure. And they're just all around super comfortable. Like I said in the beginning of this video, they do retail for $42 Canadian, and these were the ones that gravitated to me the most. So there you go. There are my final thoughts on the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Matte Suede Lipsticks. Let me know in the comments down below, have you purchased any of these Patrick Ta lipsticks? If you did, which shade did you get? And also let me know, what is your favorite Patrick Ta product? I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.